welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a very long time that I haven't uploaded any video on YouTube. It's because I was quite busy with my work, and I was in Dubai for 1.5 years, and I'm here in Mumbai for my vacation. So anyways, I'm going for my bike service because last 6 months the bike haven't been serviced, and as I came after 1.5 years back to India, I saw that the meter is not working. I mean, there's nothing, I cannot see anything in the screen. Okay, I guess due to heavy rainfall in Mumbai, my bike wasn't covered. So I guess all the water went inside the display, and the display got spoiled. So I already spoke with my service center, Suzuki service center. So what he told me, just check with us, and if there's a problem, then we have to put a new display. So I actually called for the display. The display cost was is 3,900 rupees, and maybe if the console wire, if it's spoiled, then I have to pay more 600 rupees. I don't know the camera angle. I am not sure if you can hear my voice, because I haven't attached the mic to this, but I hope you are getting the perfect view, and you can hear my voice as well. There are cops. I hope they don't catch me. Let's get it above it.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
क्या टाइम पे पहुंचा बॉस. बड़ी क्या टाइम पे पहुंचा यार. क्या टाइम पे पहुंचा बस तू. पेट्रोल पंप नसीब अच्छा है मेरा. चलो धक्का मारो, कुछ तो एक्सपीरियंस लेना पड़ेगा ना इंडिया आने के बाद. फक डूड, आई डिडंट इवन चेक माय, कुछ दिखे नहीं जाए स्क्रीन में तो कैसा चेक करेगा. हाँ कार्ड है. किधर जाना पड़ेगा?
ए चाचा नहीं चला था यार, तेल दिएगा नहीं चला एक ही है ना.
तेरह का डाला ना. हाँ तो 290 का डाल दो, 287 का.
नहीं चला गया यार.
क्या पेट्रोल ख़त्म हो गया क्या टाकी में? उधर भी नहीं है।
बहुत बाहर का था। पेट्रोल बहुत है।
ले पेट्रोल पंप में पेट्रोल ख़त्म हो गया। क्या दिन आ गए। Okay. So I don't know if you are able to see, but you know the new console has been fitted and everything is proper. 000 kilometers. Before I completed 45,000 kilometers, and now as it is the new meter console, so everything is new. So good to see after a very long time. Okay, before that let me change the timing. It shows 1:27 but currently it is 3:04. So along with my labor cost and everything, with the meter console and the labor cost, it costed me total 4,125, I guess. I'll show you the bill once I reach home. Perfectly fine.